Alright guys, we are back at it again. We have been running around all day, getting provisions, running errands. We are going on a road trip, 2-night, 3-day, well, 2.5-day camp excursion to Lincoln County. So we're obviously going to get there super late, but that's fine. We have plenty of time to enjoy ourselves. And it's just me and my hubby. I have some really exciting stuff coming up. I know I mentioned it in the last video if you have been following along, but I'm going to be trying my luck at a solo trip, but we'll see how long that lasts.
This is the Las Vegas Speedway, NASCAR, drag racing, EDC, all that fun stuff.
Definitely colder as we get further up north. The sun is pretty much down. We're about an hour and a half or so from where we're going to be camping at. Here's the setup. It's almost quiet time. This is our quick little dinner for tonight. It's almost 11 o'clock. We just finished our dinner. We did plan to make hamburgers, but unfortunately we got here too late to set up the full kitchen setup because of quiet time. We're gonna go lay down in the back. Hopefully I can get some sleep, and then tomorrow the camp festivities begin. Alright guys, Lab's about to put out the fire and I'm all snuggled in, ready to go to sleep. I will see you in the morning. Good night. It's still technically quiet time, but we decided to take a little venture. So that's camp, guys. The sun is starting to rise. Yeah, we decided that we weren't going to stay at Cathedral. So we're going to go to another campground right now. and I am driving Camper Dan. I have not learned how to drive yet manually, so it's rough, but yeah, I'm driving us to the next campsite. All right, guys, we've actually camped here before as well. This is Echo Canyon. Oh, look at the little lizard. I love the trees. Always love the trees in these sites. It's so beautiful. Look at how beautiful it is out today. So we're gonna go pay for our site. So when you come to a state park, you do have to pay a fee. So they give you these little envelopes, you fill it out, and it's $15. Just put it in the envelope, and then we're supposed to keep this for the receipt to show that we paid for it. And then this goes in your vehicle to put around your rearview mirror. Ta-da! And then we just drop this back in where you pick up the envelope. So yeah, Hubs is gonna go bring it back down to the box. It's at the end of the road. And you just literally pop it in like you would a mailbox. Got my Bob Ross on today.
Just decided to get a little bit off the beaten path. So we're on this little BLM trail here. We're not gonna go too far in.
We decided to take a little drive around the campsite. The landscape is absolutely beautiful. It's that time. I've been snacking on these. They're Buffalo Ranch. They're actually really good. So I'm gonna crack open my bang. Yeah, this weekend's been pretty great so far, actually. I went to the Doobie Brothers concert, like to actually see them in person. It was pretty cool. And we went to Cathedral Gorge, as you guys saw last night, and we found a spot at Echo Canyon, which I absolutely love camping at Echo Canyon. We tent camped here, and it was a great experience. Definitely about to have some brunch because I am starving, and then go explore. Yeah. Okay, so I am going to get some tomato cut up, an onion, some mushrooms, and then we have some lettuce already cut up for our burgers. Yum! I was cleaning up, doing the dishes real quick. Lunch was delicious. Definitely eyes bigger than my stomach. We weren't sure if we were gonna get a campsite or if we needed to disperse camp, so we still brought our water. But yeah, these sites come with water spigots. This historic little gem is called Stone Cabin, built in the 1870s by George Moody. Next up on the adventure was the bridge to nowhere, literally in the middle of Echo Canyon. The bridge sits over a creek in the formerly active volcanic dry valley area and is a site of an ancient people. I absolutely love this camp table. It's super lightweight, it folds down, it's compact. So let me show you how you assemble it. It's got an easy zipper, it unrolls. You have these pieces, they're super simple. They just clap in. And then all you do is you slide them into their perspective holes. Next, what you do is you take this end, goes into these ends. You can give it the slack that it needs to make sure that it goes in properly on both sides. And we'll do the same thing to the other side, like so. All right, now the top piece, these clasp in to the top pieces. So you just, there's 4 corners and you just clasp them in. You guys can see. Boom. All right. And voila. Super simple. So the reason I set up the camp table is because I'm going to be doing some painting. I definitely brought way more paints this time around. And I'm going to crack my Michelob. Cheers. All right, guys, that's all I can do for today. I'm running out of daylight and I want to capture the sunset. Hopefully this cloud moves, helps us getting the fire started. And it's starting to get a little chilly, so I'm going to put this up. Hey guys, we're going to take a little walk. See if we can get a better view of the sunset. Because the last time we were here, it was epic. I want him. Yeah, unfortunately, it's not as good as it was the last time we were here, but we were in the dead of summer at that point, and we're in spring. Still beautiful. I am going to go ahead and get our bed secured. All right, guys, it is 9:25. We are about to watch our Red Box, the Batman. And then once we're done, we're gonna climb on over and go to bed. All right, guys, it is 8:30. Checkout for state parks is usually 11. Hubs is going to start the fire. He's going to get us some coffee this morning. And I am going to start getting all of our bedding squared away, fold everything up, tear everything down, and then put Camper Dan's seats back. But yeah, we have plenty of fun still planned for today. That's a huge beetle. Gotta get my coffee, guys. Cheers. We actually decided not to have breakfast. I'm not really that hungry. We're gonna go take showers and get ready for the day so we can go get a jump on exploring. Change of plans, guys. I am gonna be driving us out of the park. You know what time it is. We were in absolutely no rush to get back to Vegas. So we decided to stop off in Petrov to have a picnic in the National Wildlife Refuge. And if you like these kind of adventures, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like, comment, and share. So Hub's got a sandwich and a New York style cheesecake. And then what I have is a snack pack. And then I also got this little side salad. Picnic in Petrov. So let's try one of these juicy giant olives. What a great idea. I mean, look at this view. We are heading back to Vegas. See you on the next adventure. Alright guys, we made it back to Vegas. We made it back in good timing. It was a great weekend. Thank you all for coming along. And until next time on Adventures with me, Tashia.